supporting, funding the terrorists. The terrorists. TPLF regime is a terrorist regime. The police state. EU. Please. Stop financing. Funding. The killers. They kill. We demand justice for the Oromo mothers, for the Oromo children. Justice for Bakala Garba. Justice for Oromo children. Justice for Ethiopian people.